My conversations with Georgie and then with Dax really got me in the mindset where it came time to like make a decision as to whether I was going to go ahead with boardroom. It was a no-brainer because you're already sort of thinking, all right, this has got me thinking about what I want to be thinking about, not just focusing on delivery. So yeah, it was a pretty easy decision. We've actually won, quite a few jobs in the last couple months since joining because I've been more proactive and more on the front foot. It was really cool to sit down with Georgie initially. She asks like questions that you kind of already know the answers to, but it's things that you just haven't really, again, you haven't been thinking about it. So it sort of brings, in order to find out the answers to the questions that she's asking, you kind of have to dive a little deeper into your own business. And it's stuff that is there, it's knocking around inside your head, but it's just, yeah, it's cool to bring it to the surface. Yeah. So I started Flex a bit over 2 years ago now, originally with another guy, Tom. We sort of ran it as a side hustle for about 12 months. And then it kind of got to a point where it was far too much to be running as a side hustle. And yeah, basically, we're a small team of five, or we're just about to be five now. We do structural, remedial, and a little bit of stormwater. With Boardroom, I just saw it. It's a really good tool that sort of, I guess, keeps me accountable. Yeah, and I just needed a bit of a kick up the backside, and I wanted to learn the skills to sort of be able to like reach out to new clients and yeah, just sort of, I guess, surround myself with people and I guess like mentors in a way and coaches that can give me the tools that I need to be able to do those business development things that are a little bit sort of foreign to me as an engineer. Being surrounded by other people kind of consistently and with my coach, they get you in the mindset that you need to be in to be thinking about the things that aren't like delivery. The biggest one is probably I'm more mindful of doing BD and like reaching out to people. So I'm more actively doing it because it's sort of on my mind more. We've actually won, quite a few jobs in the last couple months since joining because I've been more proactive and more on the front foot. It's more just like getting me thinking about things that I wouldn't otherwise be thinking. We've developed in-house performance review structures, all of that sort of like operations, like standard operating procedures, all of that sort of stuff, things that I just wouldn't have ever thought to have put in place previously. I kind of would have just been like, oh, we don't need that. Just do it. Yeah. Like I think everyone at Boardroom's really great. Like the whole team. You obviously get out of it what you put into it as well. So you obviously have to be like ready to do the work sort of thing. But if you are ready to do the work, then yeah, don't hesitate because you have a really strong team behind you. Yeah, and you will get so much out of it for sure.